everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm going to talk about 5 uses of aloe vera gel. So I'll be telling you 5 different ways in which you can use the aloe vera gel. The first use of aloe vera gel is you can use this as a primer before you start applying the foundation. So what you need to do is take a little bit on your hand and then you need to massage it all over your face gently and thoroughly, and make sure that you massage it really well and the aloe vera is absorbed properly into your skin. The application of foundation becomes easy after you use the aloe vera gel as a primer, because the foundation then glides on the face smoothly and it becomes easy to apply. So the second way in which you can use the aloe vera gel is you can use this gel along with your night cream, or you can even apply only the aloe vera gel as your night cream. So when you wake up in the morning, you get that hydrated and glowing skin. So the third way in which you can use aloe vera gel is after waxing, your skin gets stretched and you might get that redness and itchiness. So in order to prevent that, you can use the aloe vera gel and apply it over the waxed areas, and this gives you that soothing and calming effect and prevents your skin from any sort of irritation. So another way in which you can use aloe vera is by applying it under your eyes, because aloe vera has the properties of brightening the skin and it reduces the pigmentation and acne spots. This will reduce the dark circles. So the fifth way in which you can use the aloe vera gel is you can use this as a shaving gel. So what you need to do is before you start shaving, you need to apply the aloe vera gel in the area you want to shave, and then you can shave it so that the hairs they come out properly, and even after shaving your skin does not get dried out and the moisture gets retained if you use aloe vera as a shaving gel. So these are the 5 different ways in which I use the aloe vera gel. So if you have any other way in which you use aloe vera gel, do let me know by commenting down below. In this video I have used this aloe vera gel because I found this to be the cheapest, but you can definitely go for other brands aloe vera gel. I'll put the link of few aloe vera gels that are good, and you can go and check them. And yeah, that is all. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.